Welcome to 6 Alpha's introduction to the topic of the UXO Survey Verification Test, or SVT for short. Firstly, we will explain what the SVT is, why it's important for UXO risk management, and the difference between an EVT, SVT, and the outdated process, the SIT. The UXO Survey Verification Test, or SVT for short, is required as part of UXO risk management best practice under the auspices of CIRIA C 754 guidance. An SVT is a geophysical survey quality control mechanism that, together with other measures, not only supports survey quality control in general, but also UXO safety and ALARP safety sign-off certification in particular. An SVT is typically undertaken at the start of a survey campaign, following vessel mobilization and calibration, and it ought to be complete before any survey data is collected. It is also used for equipment verification prior to a UXO investigation campaign. Benign UXO surrogates are employed in a magnetically quiet area to verify the survey equipment. They must be carefully designed and manufactured so that they might act as calibrated controls. They therefore need to provide a measurable and consistent acoustic and magnetic response to verify that acoustic and magnetic survey sensors are operating correctly and the positional accuracies are within design parameters. The type of UXO surrogates employed are to be selected to specifically match the types of UXO that need to be detected, which need to be benchmarked with the UXO desk study. Therefore, surrogate sources need to cover a broad spectrum of small, medium, and large-scale types of UXO. They need verifiable magnetic responses as well as precise and appropriate physical dimensions. UXO surrogates are emplaced on the ground or the surface of the seabed after mobilization and calibration, but before the main survey work is undertaken. Surrogates are then surveyed by both acoustic and magnetic sensors in a number of different orientations and flying altitudes before being recovered back to the vessel. SVT results must not be employed to alter the survey specification for UXO detection, either in terms of magnetic detection range, flying altitude, or gap tolerance. Rather, the SVT serves to provide confidence that the survey setup is correctly configured and that the data it generates will be suitable for the subsequent grading and selection of potential UXO. Under the auspices of CIRIA C 754 Best Practice Guidelines, an Equipment Verification Test, or EVT, is the minimum requirement which must be performed in advance of undertaking survey work. The EVT validates the geophysical sensors themselves in a controlled manner. In terms of phasing, an SVT is typically an extension of an EVT. An SVT, however, also verifies that the survey platform is operating correctly and within specification by surveying over UXO surrogates. There is a common, outdated misconception that it is acceptable to perform a Surrogate Item Trial, or SIT, which purports to facilitate the adjustments of survey equipment setup based upon surrogate UXO detectability. Such a test is to be avoided because it is in conflict with best practice. Only an EVT and SVT are compliant with CIRIA C 754 guidance. In summary, an SVT verifies the suitability of the survey platform itself and, critically, the positional accuracy of the survey systems. It therefore acts as a quality control mechanism to identify any problems before they arise in main survey work, thus reducing the risk of an adverse and otherwise unexpected impact on both schedule and budget. 6 Alpha's extensive experience as the lead technical author for the CIRIA C 754 UXO risk management guidance, together with our geophysical UXO survey knowledge, SVT expertise, and advanced UXO classification methods, enable the provision of high-quality data capture and the appropriate and accurate identification of potential UXO. Thank you for engaging with our explanation of the UXO Survey Verification Test. For more information on 6 Alpha services, including UXO surrogate rental, SVT specifications and data reviews, please visit our website. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe, and browse our other informational videos. Thank you.